Let us go ahead and solve this question. So first we'll read the question. In a certain rectangle, the ratio of the lengths of two adjacent sides is 5 to 2. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to draw a rectangle, and we can denote that its length, assuming it to be 5x, as the ratio is given as 5 to 2. So I can assume the length to be 5x and the width to be 2x. So I can say this is also 5x, this is also 2x. We are also given the area of the rectangle, and that is given as 90 square inches. So we can write the formula for area of a rectangle, and which is length times width. Now, substituting the given values, length is 5x, width is 2x, and we are given the area of rectangle as 90 square inches. So we can solve this particular equation as 5 times 2 gives us 10 x square, which is equals to 90. From here, I can say that x square is 90 upon 10, and then we can find the value of x by taking square root of 9. So we can say we will be getting plus 3 and minus 3. Since x is a value which we'll multiply with 5 to get the length, so minus 3 is not an acceptable value of x, and we are going to accept x as 3. And now let us go ahead and we'll calculate the length in inches of the longer side. So the longer side basically is 5x compared to 2x, and its length is 5 times x. So the solution is going to be 5 times 3, that is 15 inches. Thank you.